Okay, then we'll start with the codes of our programs. Right.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, let me give you a first problem. Okay, I have a array of integers.
Okay.
I have array of integers. Then I will give you start and end position. Start and end position. I will provide you. I want to reverse only those elements which are start and end position. Let's suppose I have given an array, right, 10 elements it has. I have
Mm-hmm.
given, I want to sort only from third position to seventh position. Right. I want to reverse. I want to reverse the third position to seventh position only. Remaining, I don't want to touch it. Right. I want to reverse the elements from third position to seventh position. Right. I will give you start and end position. Those elements only should reverse in the array. Right.
Okay.
Are you
Mm-hmm.
understand the first of all program?
Yes, yes. We have a array indexing from size of the array is like 10, but we want to reverse only three indexing to seven indexing only.
Hmm. Right. That is dynamically will change start position, end position, whatever it may be. And
Mm-hmm.
array length also might be anything.
Mm-hmm. Okay, sir, got it.
Yeah, you think about
Mm-hmm. So give me just a minute. I have a one call. Just a minute. Sir, can I start to write program?
yeah, yeah.
Mm. We have a array. Six, two. Like we have a one array.
Right. Hmm.
So we need to start from uh, third position 0, 1, 2, 3. So indexing is start from second, and we want to end from seventh, that means 6. Okay, we can use while loop. Line number 15. Okay, sir. 13.
Yeah, variable name is that.
There is a, yes, sir. Sorry.
Left side also.
There is a,
And then temp variable also. I have created temp TEM that also.
14. This one. Oh, sorry, sir. Okay. Oh, this is line number 18.
I think import it will not. I think it will not work. Maybe you have to iterate and print it.
Mm,
It will not work erase. And we people are not able to understand. You have to write import statement.
And just to mention, I'm telling you again. Otherwise, give me just 1 minute. We can.
You can iterate and write instead of that. Print it later.
What is it?
No, no, it will not print like that. Array will not print directly. You
Yes,
can
yes,
you can use for each loop and print it.
yes, sir, yes, sir. Mm. Just we can print like this. Can we change it to? This was.
Okay. That's right.
Yes, reverse from third position to seventh position.
Mhm.
Third one is 30. So 30 is this one. 30, 60, 80, 90, and seventh position is 100. Then again is 5, 11, 4, 3, and 12, and
Okay.
7 to 5.
Okay, good, good. Okay, fine then. All right. Next coming to that, we will say, do you have idea on streams, lambda expressions?
String, yes.
Okay. Um, Suppose you have a list of integers.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. I want to sum. I want to sum by using streams.
Using string.
Stream. Do you have idea Java streams?
Yes, yes, I have idea about Java. String, no? String, no, sir.
Not
STRING.
not string, not strings. Streams, lambda expressions.
Lambda stream. Yes, 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 sir. I have an idea.
Mhm.
Yeah, I have a knowledge in Java Stream API.
Okay. You have a list of integers. Okay. A list of integers. I want to sum all the integers and print the what is the sum of it using streams.
Okay. Just- So So we have a list of it, integer. In array, right, sir? As list, like
List.
for an example, we have array 20, 10, 20, 40, 60, and also 12.
Understand. I compile it once again. I think it will support or not array. Compile it.
There is option for
Run the program. No, run the program. That's it.
okay. Line number
But
6.
I think you have to import those things. Right? Import statement from where you will get these things. Right. Util page. Right.
Okay. There
On
is
top
an
of on top of the class, you have to import it. Import.
okay. We can also try. Okay. Okay. Just 2 minutes.
You just go to that add import statement. We will see. Right. Do you
Uh,
know how to go to browser?
mhm.
Right. Where to add import on top of the class. Add on top of the class. We add import. Write down import.
Okay, 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 got it. So import
Java
Java
dot util dot star.
dot. We can go like this one.
Keep it star and then semicolon. Run it. Again run it.
Line number.
Cannot find symbol as list. There is no method in the arrays as list.
So deep interest.
You need to keep all caps.
Sir, can I try to write program in Eclipse?
You can write down.
Okay.
But interview they will not allow. They will not allow to write something.
As list this method intelligent. Okay.
And keep it L caps,
Yes, sir.
L capital letter.
The method as list integer is
No, no,
undefined for.
are you able to hear me? L
Yes, sir.
capital letter, L capital letter, as list.
Okay, list is capital. Yeah, it's a static method of array. Okay, got it. Mm-hmm. Then we need to find int. I think the Copilot is in my Eclipse. That's the reason he provide a suggestion. Just 1 minute. I can also try to change from here. Run it again. Code execution successfully. Yes, sir. Sir, I'm moving to online compiler.
Okay, continue.
Numbers dot uh, stream Java stream, and there is one method is map. Awesome. There is line number 9 into some numbers dot string dot map to int.
But sum is a method.
I also need to import
No,
stream API, right, sir?
that not required, not required. Sum is a method, not a variable. Right, dot sum you kept, right? You kept, that is a method.
Yeah.
Right, I got it. What I'm saying. Sum is a method you have written in the 10th line last into a
Okay.
map to into dot sum. No, no, not like
Okay. Got it.
uh,
So this one. Sum is a method, right. So need to parenthesis 14 years. So we can also
that's fine. Okay, yeah, you are able to do it. Right, that's fine. Yeah.
and yes, sir.
Okay, good. Then. Okay, right. You must be very fast. Right, interview will not get this much of time.
Mm-hmm.
Right. Okay, then we will move to next one. Rest assured, you know, you have idea about it, right? Suppose I want to execute one post request. Right. I want to execute one post request. What are the steps we need to write down? You can tell me the steps.
Using Postman.
not postman. Rest assured. Rest assured, I want to post a post method. Right, you know post method, right? Get
Yes, yes,
post.
sir.
Right, I want to execute one post request. Right, what are the steps we need to write down in the write down to execute that?
Okay. So, sir, first of all, we need a prerequisite for run post request. So we need URL, URI. That we need URI. That means we need domain URL and endpoint. Then we need response body. So in we need response body.
Request
So
or response?
sorry, we need request body.
Hmm.
Okay, we need request body, and we also need authentication like from developers in unit testing documents like barrier token or like barrier token. So we can authenticate it, and we can also authenticate with generated token for authentication. So we will create a uh, we will create a string body type variable, and inside the sorry, we can create a string response body type variable, and inside in the request body variable I will pass body, and we create a base there is a method rest assured dot base URI. So I will pass URI. Then I will use Gherkin keyword like given, when, then. So given is used for given keyword is used for prerequisite. So inside the dot given method, Gherkin keyword, I will pass content type JSON and body request body, and accept type is JSON, and inside the when I will provide request. So dot when I will use post request, and dot then is for result purpose. So using then keyword, I will fetch status code for post request is 201, and I will also check response body. So uh,
How you will
the
validate the response? How you will validate response?
for responsor, there is a two way. I will we can also use here assertion like actual result and expected result. We can we can validate the result. We can validate actual and expected result by using assertion. And there is one another way we can like we have inside the JSON response body, we can fetch some data like dot body title equals to like its actual title, and we can also fetch body if user ID exists in response. So we can fetch user ID equals to actual body. So
Okay, okay, fine. Right. Suppose if I want to execute my test cases in parallel, how we can achieve it?
using TestNG
Anything?
for web application, right, sir?
Right. I want to execute my test cases in parallel.
Okay. So there is okay, for we want to run parallel. So there is a one annotation is parameterization. So okay, there is a one way we can manipulate our test suite. So uh, inside the test suite, inside the test suite, uh, we we okay, like we will provide a parallel equals to like we want to run methods. So parallel inside the suit. So name is like parallel suit. So parallel equals to methods. We want to run parallelly methods, and thread count if we want to run two times, three times. So I will pass two. and inside the test name equals to parallel test, and which test we want to run. So I will pass inside the class uh, like smoke test or regression test. So parallel equals to method. At the rate method is you at the rate inside the at the rate test method is used for the parallel run. So and a
Okay.
thread count equals to 2 that will run in parallelly.
Okay. 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 That's fine. All right. Do you have what type of reports? Do you have idea?
Yes, I have a idea in extend report and HTML report, TestNG HTML report, Allure report, and a Serenity report. So these
Suppose
types
if
of
I want to, I integrate to my Selenium project, allow the report. What are the steps I need to do?
uh, okay, so okay. So for Allure report, we need to server uh, okay. Mhm. So integrate Allure with Selenium. So okay, first steps is we need to add plugin inside the pom.xml. It's like a Allure plugin from Maven. Uh, and we can also provide annotation in TestNG for generate Allure report. So it will generate with logs, and we can also uh, okay. So there is okay, and we then we will install Allure. Allure. We can also install Allure package, and then we so if I'm using IntelliJ, so that I will direct install Allure from terminal, like scope install equals to Allure. And then after execution, it will provide me a link, and I will click on the link, and it will open Allure report in a server.
Oh,
Is
okay,
it
okay,
is it correct, sir?
okay, good. Yeah, yeah. Just check it. Right, I have little idea. Right, I just okay. You just check it. Whatever you feel correct or not. I think I have little idea only. Okay.
Mhm.
Okay, fine then. Do you know from how to run from Jenkins test case? If I want to run from Jenkins, my test in the test case, do you have any idea how to integrate?
How to integrate Jenkins to our Selenium project?
Hmm.
So, sir, we can directly integrate our Selenium project to Jenkins through Git repository. So inside the Git, we will create a project. Inside the project, we will configure our repository from the repository from the Git, and after configure Git repository, we can schedule we can schedule our test, and also we can mention email ID related to notification. Uh, so that is a one way by using Git repository, and there is another way of we will install Jenkins and and prepare a Selenium project, and we can also add configure our Selenium project to Jenkins using Maven. Think so.
Mhm. Okay. Okay, you need to tell what the steps, right? You need to from the Jenkins onwards install the Jenkins, how to start the Jenkins, how to create the job. Right, inside a Maven Java, you will create a but we have to tell and inside Maven project we will integrate with the Git and and then Maven command what you will do. Alright, then those things you have to tell.
Okay.
Okay,
Mhm.
that's fine then. You have idea on SQL?
Yes, I have idea. I have
Uh-huh.
also I have a hands-on experience in SQL
Okay.
using my SQL.
Okay. What is right out to join?
What is right joint? So right joint is nothing but it okay. So it will fetch all the value from right table and provide a condition based column from left table. Like right join returns all row from the right table and the matched row from the left table. So that is right joint.
Mm-hmm.
If there is no match, the result is null or the left table column. If there is no match, so it will return all details of right table, and from the left table, it will return null.
Okay, okay, good then. Mm. Okay. Suppose after execution of the regression that few of the test cases are failed. Now, what are the steps you will take?
After run regression shoot.
You ran regression. After
Yes,
execution, you found some of the test cases failed. Now, what are the steps you will take care after that?
sir, can you please repeat again the question, please?
No, no. Right. Suppose you ran regression. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Right. After that, some of the test cases are failed.
Okay,
Right. Two test cases are failed in the regression. Right. What are the next steps you will take?
okay,
What you will do after that? You found some of the test case failed. What you will do next?
okay. So if mhm. So when some test cases fail after running regression tests, so I will analyze the failure, where is exact failure and what functionality and what exceptions is generated, and I will also verify environment and test setup. If our test script configure with multiple dependencies, so I will also check configuration and rerun test. I will also rerun the test and generate and check report. Inside the report I will check logs and yeah, and and communicate with dev as well as my QA lead and prioritize the bug and create raise a defect on Jira tool or defect management tool and after fix the bug, I will reset once fixed and update test artifacts.
Okay,
So
okay, good. Right. Once immediately, right, when our test case are filed, we need to verify whether it is a script issue or functional issue. Right. Either it may be a that we have written script wrong or functional issue. There may be really a functional something functionality not working. If it is a script issue, right, we will fix it. That is script issue. If it is a functional miss, we have to discuss with the developers and whether it is really a functional issue. Right,
mhm,
we will raise a defect and we'll discuss with the developers. We will assign create the defect assigned to them. Right, they will fix on.
okay.
Okay, fine. That yeah. Thanks, Ashish.